All right, a couple problems here about adding up arithmetic terms. And what I want you to remember throughout this whole video is that the sum of n terms is n times the average of the first and the last term. Okay, I'm going to use that idea over and over again. The average value times n. So the first problem tells us that the sum of the first term is 4 and the difference is -3. That's kind of cute. The sum of the first term is just the first term. You just added it, I guess, by itself. So now what we're going to do is write down we know that the first term is 4. We know that the nth term is 4 minus 3 times n minus 1. Because you're starting at 4, you're taking away 3 over and over again. So write down the sum formula. N times A1. I'm just using this formula up on top now. A1 plus AN over N. I could leave it like that, but there's some nice simplification that can happen. N divided by N cancels out. 4 plus 4 is 8. So I have 8 minus 3 times N minus 1. Find S sub 10. That's going to be 8 minus 3 times 9. So S sub 10 is going to be 8 minus 27, or negative 19, I suppose. Find the smallest n for which S sub n is less than negative 250. So negative 250, I guess I got to write it it says it wants S sub n to be less than. So 8 minus 3 times n minus 1 has got to be less than negative 250. So take away 8. Then divide by negative 3. So I get n minus 1 is greater than 86. And then add 1 and get n is greater than 87. So one weird moment here that you may have forgotten about is when I was dealing with this inequality, when I divided by a negative, it switched the direction around. So it's actually that n is bigger than 87 to make your sum smaller than negative 250, which kind of makes sense because your numbers are getting more and more negative. So after 87, you're going to be below negative 250 for the value of the sum. All right, thanks for watching.